We are signing in. Sweet dreams.
Sorry, pare.
We are signing up. Hi, I'm Daph. Hi, I'm Jen. Hi, I'm Jen. Hi, I'm Yusa. Hi, I'm Zay. 1, 2. We are signing in day 2. Hi po. Mag-vlog tayo for the entire last week. I'm making props. Stupid! Napakalit naman kung stupid niya. Stupid niya.
Every minute I'm not winning, I feel like I'm losing, and I just wanna make everyone proud. I know you wanna help me, so I stay stuck in temporary sanity. The second the room is empty, I'm back to another.
Para makuha mo yung unit ka formula, which is the x3, tapos i-multiply mo dito, ito, i-multiply mo dito, tapos pag na-multiply mo na, get mo na yung result niya, which is yung nag-review sila ako nagdadasal.
I've been stuck in this room for so long. I'm spaced out, I forget my problems. Maybe walking and talking, but I still don't feel awake. They're all waiting for
Hi guys!
every lyric that I write has to be profound. And I can't help but think that I'm gonna let all of them down.
Ja!
I swore to tomorrow that I'd be the best.
Ano na yan? Ha? Ano na yan? Bakit to? Bago yung tablet mo? Oo, bago. Parang kind of yan eh. Guys, so see ang ganap sa amin ngayon. Na makikita kayong nagbe-bepe tayo. Lakas akong kabepe tayo. May problema kami sa portfolio na talaga ba? Look at that process. Inoy yung ano! Wala na! Hey! I love you! Uy! Sino ka dyan? Julian, peng ka ba? Peng ka ba? Julian, peng ka ba? Kasi, ikaw lang yung kailangan ko. Peng heaven. Corny mo, Melissa. Matulogin nyo kasi na kayo. Peng heaven. Guys,
Hindi naman kita pinuyat na kami.
oo. Kaya nga, tapusin na sa lahat ng props. Ang kapal ng mukha. Kapal ng mukha. Anong ikaw lang? Anong ikaw lang? Nilapitan ko din siya. Nilapitan ko din siya. Ay, ilang buwan yan? Ilang video? Ay, hindi yan! Lumapit ako sa'yo. Lumapit ako sa'yo. Kanina ko kausap ko. Yun! Ang galing! Yun! Oo, yun! Starting of... Ayun na yan. Yung ganon. Na... Starting over. Ano? Maybe this time! Maybe this time! Starting over again! Gagan.
I don't wanna Goes on a treadmill. I just wanna feel like I'm getting somewhere with
Ay! Wala si... Natamad na naman guys. So, we just finished reading and writing about the resume. The job applicant.
Mas yung isa. Teaching about that kind of...
Today, we're about to prepare for Gen Bio Pet and there's Lusa. She's crocheting probably for their costume. Yeah, for her. Oh yeah. And look my god. Gel. Wow. Actually, it's my first time not eating for lunch. Diba?
Kasi dapat mali.
Yeah.
Sana mag... Look, guys!
She made that all by herself. Very impressive.
Dalawa na lang. And I'm done. What are... Ano ba yung pan mo?
Jellyfish. Hi guys, we're preparing for Gen Bio. Look, it's raining so hard. Preparing.
Hoy! Hindi naman ito mali yan!
Salo.
Mawawag ito yung meow-meow niya. Tiger, rar!
Tiger ka ba?
Grabe kayo sa akin,
Gago! Buhabot ka na!
Hindi na kailangan maligo ni Daphne. Magpapalit na ba kayo?
I don't know.
Wag muna kayo magpapalit.
Thought I'd write
Ano ka, axolotl?